how to lock iPhone gallery with Face ID. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are many users who want to lock photos and videos on iPhone, but they don't know the method to lock the camera roll with Face ID. Now let me show you it's a real method. So first of all, open the Shortcuts application in your iPhone. After that, you will see a plus icon at the top right. Simply press there and then search Screen Lock. The shortcut name is Screen. Simply install this shortcut on your iPhone and you will get this shortcut. After that, now let me show you what the second step is. The second step is going to automation. Just press new automation and select the app option. Simply go here. Now choose your application that you want to lock. We want to lock photos. Select your app, then tap on done. After selecting the application, choose run immediately and tap on next. You will get your shortcut in here. Simply press there and after that you will easily lock your photos. Now whenever we will open photos on our iPhone, it will be locked. Now we can easily unlock it through our Face ID. So this is the method to lock any application on iPhone. So that's basically how you can lock iPhone gallery with Face ID. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.